Unit number 13, sides and angles of a triangle. So before going to solve the questions of review exercise number 13, first of all we will discuss few points which are related to understand the concept of unit number 13. So my first point is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal in length, the longer side has an angle of greater measure opposite to it. Now I will explain this point through diagram. He said that if two sides of a triangle are unequal in length, so there is a triangle A, B, C. Let's see this side AC and AB. These are two unequal lengths. The longer side has an angle of greater measure opposite to it. Means the longer side BC is the longer side of the remaining two sides, the sides AB and AC. BC is greater side, BC is a longer side. The longer side has an angle. The longer side has an angle of greater measure opposite to it. Means this longer side has an angle opposite of it which is greater in measure, remaining the two angles. Repeating again, if two sides of a triangle are unequal in lengths, let's say AC and AB, these two lengths are unequal in length, then he said the longer side has an angle of greater measure opposite to it. Then the longer side is BC, which is longer from the remaining two sides. BC is a longer side, then BC has an angle whose measure is greater than from the remaining two angles. Means the side which is longer side of a triangle, has greater angle opposite of it. Now my second point, if two angles of a triangle are unequal in measure, the side opposite to the greater angle is longer than the side opposite to the smaller angle. So we have to understand this point through a diagram. So by using this diagram, triangle ABC, there is a triangle ABC. He said if two angles of a triangle are unequal in measure, let's say that this angle and this one, these two angles are unequal in measure. This is a greater angle, this is a smaller angle. Then he said that the side opposite to the greater angle, is longer than the side opposite to the smaller angle. Means the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. The side opposite to the greater angle is longer than the side opposite to the smaller angle. Mean greater angle has greater side opposite to it and the smaller angle has smaller side opposite of it. My third point is, the sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. For example, through a diagram, there is a triangle ABC. So in this triangle, the length of AB is 4.4 centimeter. The length of AC is 5 centimeter and the length of BC is 7.8 centimeter. So he said that the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle, means if we have to find the sum of these two, this is 5 centimeter and this is 4.4 centimeter. So when we add these two, 5 centimeter and 4.4 centimeter, it will becomes 9.4 centimeter. 9.4 centimeter. So 9.4 centimeter is greater than 7.8 centimeter. So sum of these two sides is greater than the third one. Similarly, if we add 7.8 centimeter and 4.4 centimeter, so 7.8 and 4.4, when we add these two, this is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. So 1 carries, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So sum of these two is greater than third side. So this point is the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Now my fourth point is, from a point outside a line, from a point outside a line, the perpendicular is the shortest distance from the point to the line. From a point, let's see, we have to take this point. Point P is our any point which is outside a line. This is a line AB. AB is a line segment. So this is a line AB and point P. Point P is lies outside the line. The perpendicular is the shortest distance, means if we have to draw a perpendicular from this point to the line AB, this distance, this total distance called the shortest distance from a point to a line. So viewers, now we are going to solve review exercise number 13. So review exercise number 13, our question number 1 is, which of the following are true and which are false? Our first statement is, the angle opposite to the longer side of a triangle is greater. The angle opposite to the longer side of a triangle is greater. Yes, this is true, because we already learned this point from our point number 1. Point number 1 was, if two sides of a triangle are unequal in length, the longer side has an angle of greater measure opposite to it. So the same statement is here. The angle opposite to the longer side, the angle opposite to the longer side of a triangle is greater. So this is true. Our second point is, in right triangle, greater angle is of 60 degree. So for the understanding of this point, first of all we will discuss what is right triangle. We also know that a triangle whose one angle is equal to 90 degree, this is called right triangle. So this is a right triangle whose greater angle is equal to 90 degree and these two are smaller. It can be 45, 45 or other than 30 and 60. So in right triangle, greater angle is of 60 degree. No, in right triangle, greater angle is equal to 90 degree. So through the diagram we have to prove that this statement is false. My next statement is, in isosceles right triangle. In isosceles right triangle, angles other than right angle are each of 45 degree. So for the understanding of this point, we will discuss through with the diagram. This is an isosceles right triangle. Isosceles right triangle mean a right triangle, a triangle whose two sides are equal in measure. So I have to take AB and BC. These two sides are equal in measure. And for the right triangle, for isosceles two sides are equal, and for the right triangle it has 90 degree angle. So this is an isosceles right triangle. He said other than right angle, 90 degree is a right angle, are each of 45 degree, means one angle is 90 degree and the other two are 45 degree. We also know that the sum of three angles of a triangle are equal to 180 degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So one angle is equal to 90 degree. Then what about these two angles? These two angles are the angles whose sides are equal in measure. So those sides, if sides are equal, then angle must be equal. If two sides of a right triangle, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then its two angles which are containing with these two lines are equal in measure. So if one angle is 45 degree, the other one is again 45 degree. So after adding these three angles, we got 180 degree. So this is true. In isosceles right triangle, other than right angle, remaining the angles are of 45 degree. So this is true. My next point is a triangle having two sides congruent. A triangle having two sides congruent is called equilateral triangle. No, this is false, because by the definition of equilateral triangle, a triangle whose all sides equal in measure. So this is called equilateral triangle. A triangle whose two sides are equal in measure, these triangles are called isosceles triangle. So this is false. My next point is a perpendicular from a point to a line is shortest distance. We have to discuss through with the diagram. So I have to take one point P. P is the point outside the line, and this is a line A, B. He said a perpendicular from a point to a line. A perpendicular from a point to a line. This distance is called the shortest distance. Yes, this is true. This is the shortest distance between a point to a line. My next point is perpendicular to line form an angle of 90 degree. Perpendicular to line. Perpendicular is a straight line which is making 90 degree angle. So this is a perpendicular towards a line having 90 degree angle. So this is true. My next point is a point outside a line is collinear with it. A point outside a line is collinear with it. So with the help of the definition of a collinear points, Collinear points are those points who are lie on the line. For example, this point A and B. Point A is called collinear because this point lies on the line, and P is called non-collinear point because this point lies outside the line. So a point outside a line is non-collinear with it. The writer says that this is collinear, that's why this is false. The next is sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third. Sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third. Yes, this is true because we already discussed it from this point through our third point. The sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So this point is true. My next point is the distance between a line and a point on it is 0. The distance between a line and a point. So through the diagram, this is a point P, this is a point A, and this is a point B. He said the distance between a line and a point on it means the point lie on the line. So he is asking about these points. This point lie on the line. So the distance between the point and the line is 0 because there is no distance. This point is lie on the line. So this is true. My next point is triangle can be formed of length 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. So with the help of point number 3, sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third one. It must be greater than the length of the third one. This cannot be equal to the length. So from this point, if we have to take 2 points, 2 cm, 3 cm, the sum of these two, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is equal to third one. So these cannot be the length of the triangle. That's why this is false. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is what will be a shortest distance from a point to a line? So with the help of this diagram, this is a point and this is a line. The shortest distance between a point to a line is 90 degrees. So I will write the shortest distance is 90 degree. Question number 3 is verify that difference of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So the lengths which are given are 13 cm, 12 cm and 5 cm. So he said that the difference of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. So we have to find difference of two sides which is less than the third one. We also know that 13 cm minus 12 cm is less than 5 cm because 13 minus 12 is equal to 1 centimeter is less than 5 centimeter. Next is 12 centimeter minus 5 centimeter. First of all, we have to take these two sides. Now we have to take these two sides. 12 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is less than 13 centimeter, because we know that 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 7 centimeter is less than 13 centimeter. Next, 13 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is less than 12 centimeter, because 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 8 centimeter is less than 12 centimeter. Hence, difference of two sides is less than the third. Now question number 4. Verify sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third one. So the lengths which are given is 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So first of all, 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, because we have to verify sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third. So sum of 10 plus 6 is greater than 8 centimeter, because 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 16 centimeter is greater than 8 centimeter. Next one is 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is greater than 10 centimeter. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14 is greater than 10 centimeter. And the third one is 10 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is greater than 6 centimeter, because 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. 18 is greater than 6 centimeter. So sum of two sides of a triangle greater than the third one. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter are not the lengths of a triangle. So give the reason. First of all, we will write the given measurements, which are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. We also know that the sum of two sides must be greater than the third one. So 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is not greater than 7 centimeter, because 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. These two are equal with each other. That's why this is not possible. 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter must be greater than 7 centimeter. Hence, we also know that sum of two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third. That's why this is not possible. Now question number 6. What should be the third length of a right triangle? He said that if 3 cm and 4 cm are the lengths of two sides of a right triangle, then we have to find the third one. So the given lengths given is 3 cm and 4 cm are two sides. Then because this is a right triangle, so for the right triangle we have to find Pythagoras theorem. Then by Pythagoras theorem, A plus B square is equal to C square. So the two sides are 3 cm and 4 cm. Let's say that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. So 3 cm square plus 4 cm square. We have to find the third side, which is equal to C. The square of 3 is 9 cm plus the square of 4 is 16 cm, which is equal to C square. Sum of these two, 16 plus 9 is equal to 25 cm square, which is equal to C. Now we have to take square root of this because we have to find single length, the length of C. So removing the square, removing this square, we have to take square root. 2 cancel out with this square root. We also know that the square root of 25 is 5 cm. This square cancel out with this 1 and the square of 25 is 5. So 5 cm is equal to C. Hence the third side of right triangle is 5 cm. So this was our review exercise of 13. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe my channel for the next video.